Hi, I'm Rob and here's 3 things that we love about this Hisense fridge freezer. It lets you enjoy chilled water on demand, it makes sure everything stays fresh for longer, and it efficiently prevents frost buildup. You'll be able to enjoy chilled water on demand without having to plumb it in, thanks to its convenient water dispenser which is integrated into the door. It provides you with the peace of mind that everything you store will stay fresh for longer, thanks to its efficient fan cooling. It also has a total no-frost system, so you can make the most of your storage space and you won't have to spend time defrosting. If you want to know more, visit us in store, online, or chat to one of us on the Shop Live video call.